We are the pioneer of touch screens. We operate a modern industrial facility spanning over 3,600 square meters. An intelligent production line spanning 1,600 square meters, like a precisely engineered urban artery. To achieve high-performance display and touch functionality, the environment serves as the most exacting examiner. We have established a Class 100 cleanroom, a sanctuary where no particle can escape. Meanwhile, we have optical bonding capabilities to further enhance display performance and reliability. We go beyond manufacturing. We are the real-time guardians of every data point. Our real-time environmental monitoring system ensures that every production cycle remains in an optimal steady state. From microscopic particles to macroscopic touch performance, we guarantee that every screen we deliver offers rock-solid reliability. Specializing in high-performance touchscreen displays, we deliver flawless visual experiences to global clients.